Now what I'm doing is, let's come outside real quick. There's a clicking noise coming from what I think is the torque converter out here. What I think is on this car. Let's see here. 1980 Chevy El Camino. I got a jack under here. Put a light under here too. Light in here. Well, I think that clicking noise is. It looks a lot worse outside the screen. This whole torque plate here is wobbly really bad. Here's a good picture of it. At first I thought it was the oil. I put the right oil in it, got an oil change, it still sounds like this. And I go in here to check and see if the, if the fuel filter was leaking. And I hear that ticking, that clicking noise from that converter. I'm just trying to see what could be causing it and how I could fix it.